Hey traders, how to catch a very nice trade, how to identify a safe trading opportunity. And to do that, we have a very strict trading plan. We have a set of things to follow, we have a set of conditions that we are looking for to buy or sell the market wisely. And in this video, I prepared for you the example of the steps that I go through to identify the safe trading opportunity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To identify a trading opportunity, it is very important for us to start with the market trend. On a daily time frame, we must identify current market trend, we must identify the direction of the market, and we do that simply by following the price action. And I always remind you that only drawing the swings, only drawing the impulses, the impulse legs of the market, you can accurately identify the current market trend. And here on Aussie New Zealand, definitely the market trend right now is bullish. Why? First of all, because here we have the sequence of the high lows, and moreover because we have the sequence of higher highs. And it is a very important condition that we're looking for to say that the market is bullish. So it is our first step. We identify that on Aussie New Zealand, the pair is trading in a bullish trend on a daily. And then we can go to the next step. Hey traders, please let me know what do you want to learn in the next videos. I really want to see what you are interested in. It can be the risk management, it can be the structured trading, pattern recognition, trading examples, I don't know. The point is that I have so many topics in my mind, so I don't know which one is better. So I just want to see what do you want to learn. Also, don't forget to write your questions in the comment section. I always reply to all your questions. I read all your comments. So please, if you have any question, just write it in the comment section. Let's continue. The next step is to identify the next goal for the market participants. And because the market here is bullish, because bulls dominate the market, at some moment definitely the market will grow. But to where? What is the goal for buyers right now? And of course, current structure high is the first goal for buyers. Why? Because it is the closest strong structure resistance. Just recently in the past, price started to fall from that structure. So we definitely must consider that in our analysis. And definitely if we join the movement, if we buy the market, we will close at least the portion of our position based on that structure. But at the same time, because the market is bullish, it tends to set new highs. For that reason, we should look and analyze the historical structure and identify the next potential goal. To do that, we simply look left at structure, and over here we have very peculiar structure level. You can see that that structure was very important for the market participants in the past. We saw very strong bearish movements from that structure, very sharp bearish movement. And of course, if the price right now sets a new higher close, if we see the bullish continuation above the current structure high, this can be the next goal for buyers. Yes, and most likely then from that point we will see a very strong correctional movement. So now we identified the goals for buyers right here. The third step is to identify the point from where it is safe for us to join the movement, where it is safe for us to buy the market. And to do that, we should analyze the structure. We should look for trend lines and for closest key levels. And let's start with the trend line. Over here in Aussie New Zealand, I see this very nice rising trend line. You can see that so far this trend line is perfectly respected, and you can see how in the past the price reacted to the trend line. So it is the first point from where we will expect a potential bullish continuation. But of course, sometimes the market just goes lower. Yes, sometimes the market goes deeper and we will see a bearish continuation to lower structure levels. So it is very important for us to have another structure. And over here, looking left, we have this very strong structure support. You can see that in the recent past, we saw a very strong bullish impulse from that structure. So with that in mind, we have this rising trend line that serves as a very safe point for potential buying. And also we have the horizontal structures that also is looks very peculiar for buying. So what do we do with these 2 points? So because the market already reached a safe point from where it is safe for us to buy the market, now we are looking for the confirmation. And to look for the confirmation properly, we should take away the impulses. We don't need them anymore. So let me just clean the chart for you. So the chart is very clean right now, and with the confirmation it is always a bit tricky because there are a lot of different ways to confirm the coming bullish movement. Different traders apply different strategies for that. For example, the price action traders, they look for the reversal formations. The indicators traders, they look for some indicators. The fundamental traders look for the fundamental trigger. There are a lot of different ways. However, for me, I am looking for the reversal pattern and I am looking for some breakout. So what do we have right here? First of all, I see a very nice falling channel right here. Look, I guess you see that. We can call that the expanding wedge. And definitely, while the price is trading within this expanding wedge, it remains bearish to us. Yes, and while it is within, definitely it is very risky for us to buy the market. And also I am looking for some reversal formation, and over here I guess you see we have this very nice double bottom formation with the high level. Yes, within this falling wedge pattern we see this double bottom. So what do we need for the confirmation? Of course, we need the breakout. We need the breakout of this wedge pattern. Yes, this double bottom is not enough for us because this double bottom still formed within the boundaries of the wedge. So we will look for the breakout. Only once the wedge is broken, I will look for buying opportunities, and I will patiently wait until we see the daily candle close above that. Yes, so it is very important for you to understand that. But moreover, don't forget about our double bottom right here. With this double bottom we have the so-called neckline. The neckline is the horizontal structure. So I will look for the breakout not only of the trend line of the wedge, but also I want to see the breakout of the horizontal structure. Why do I need that? Because it helps to avoid false breakout. False breakouts are it is a very usual thing, and to avoid them you always need some extra thing. And for me, the breakout of the horizontal structure is the additional confirmation. So we will look for this breakout, and only then we can go to the next step. And the last step is actually to plan our trades. So here we are talking about the entry, stop, and our targets. And with the entry, once the neckline here, the falling trend line are broken, I will look for the retest of the neckline. Yes, I prefer the retest of the horizontal structure, not the trend line for the entry. So I will look for the retest. Yes, there will be my buy limit order. With the stop loss, my stop will lie strictly below the lows of the wedge. Yes, in my view, it is a very safe stop placement. And our first goal will be the key level that we identified. So there we will close half of our position, and our end goal will be the next structure that we identified based on our structure analysis. So you can see that we have a lot of steps in this trading plan. Yes, we executed the trend analysis, we executed the structure analysis, we identified the patterns right here, we were talking about the confirmation, then we were planning our stop placement, entry, targets. You can see how many steps we go through to make the things properly. And if you want to be successful in this game, this is what you should have. You always should have a plan. You always should have the conditions that you look for the safe trading opportunity. Of course, they can be different, but you must be very strict with them. Alright traders, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to write in the comment section what do you want to learn in the next videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check my social networks, all the links in the description below. Follow me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on weekend.